Most expensive women's Louis Vuitton shoes. Women's fashion has been taken to great heights. That is why every possible fashion item worn from head to toe is now being increasingly designed and customized to give the unique and luxurious factor to it. Louis Vuitton stands out noticeably in many of the luxurious brands across the world, which is famous for its luxurious and exclusive items in the industry of women fashion. It was founded in 1854 by the great Louis, and the original product was a trunk that could easily be stacked for long journeys. Their chic practical design made them an instant hit and soon became the most popular luggage for fashionable travelers. Since then, Louis Vuitton products have exploded. They now make all kinds of clothes, handbags, luggage, sunglasses, and shoes. The value of this company is estimated to be over $30 billion, and the brand was voted the most luxurious for 6 years in a row, between 2006 and 2012. One of the most expensive items in the Louis Vuitton collection is the women's shoes. From exclusive shoes to some of the costliest designers' footwear, Louis Vuitton is renowned worldwide as a leader in the women's fashion and footwear. You are watching Luxury Peek, and in today's video, we are going to check out the most expensive Louis Vuitton women's shoes. So let's get started and dive into the details. Number 10. Overtown Ankle Boots. With a price tag of $1,325, the Overtown ankle boots display strength and smart looks, with a distinct rock and roll touch to them. These boots feature a pointed toe and a stable square heel, and they are made from genuine soft calf leather, with glazed and amazing finish. Exclusive look of this boot is made by the brand's monochrome in the back loop of the canvas strap. Number 9. Highway Ankle Boot. This highway ankle boots by Louis Vuitton will cost you around $1,390. These are exclusive peep-toe ankle length boots made from the best baby goat leather, which goes best with the pants and skirts as well. This stiletto high heel is designed with a unique half leather and half Lacoste style. Number 8. Very Flat Ankle Boot. These cute little ankle boots are very fashionable and easy to go, priced at around $1,455. These Valley ankle boots are very practical and sturdy. These are made from the best glazed calf leather for the outer unique look, along with the Louis Vuitton trademark on the golden buckles and plaques. The outer leather sole is covered in rubber for strength and comfort while walking. Number 7. Nightfall Flat Sandal. These are one of the most unique designs from Louis Vuitton and are priced at around $1,500. These Romanian-inspired designer sandals are crafted with the finest calf leather and are embellished with the typical flat gold buttons in a row and are engraved with the Louis Vuitton initials. The back zip provides easy wearing and most comfort. Number 6. Skylight High Boot. With a price tag of $1,630, these Skyline high boots are highly versatile and stylishly crafted. These high boots are made from genuine baby goat leather for the most comfortable fit. The upper portion is plainly designed to contrast beautifully with the lower part featuring the Louis Vuitton initials engraved in the vivid golden heel. Number 5. Skylight Ankle Boot. These elegant Skyline ankle boots can be yours at an expensive price of $1,690. These are made from the finest and softest python leather for the perfect and comfortable fit. The sleek upper design complements the graphic heel, which is made from rare ruthenium, with the Louis Vuitton initials beautifully engraved in them. Number 4. Heritage High Boot. These small cute little boots are all yours at a price of around $1,743, and they are one of the finest boots from Louis Vuitton. They are made from the softest calf leather and are designed in lines of the classical riding boots. It also features a distinct Louis Vuitton logo following the popular Capucin's bag design. Number 3. Cosplay Low Boots, Black and White. These are one of the most remarkable women's leather shoes from Louis Vuitton and are priced at a costly $2,650. These are specially crafted from rare pale python leather, which features an elegant pixel motif, launched with the 2016 Spring-Summer collection. These boots feature Louis Vuitton monogrammed flower-shaped high heel and a shiny metal toe cap, along with a sling at the back for comfort and sport. Number 2. Cosplay Low Boot. These Louis Vuitton beauties are priced at an expensive $3,199. These were launched with the brand's 2016 Spring-Summer collection. These are remarkable and are crafted from the rare python leather with printed pixel motif. These boots come with the Louis Vuitton monogrammed flower-shaped high heel with a metal chain attached to match with the collection's other leather items. Before heading to number 1, make sure to smash the like button and share it with your show lover friends. Number 1. Viana Minimalisa High Boot. Don't let the minimal name fool you. The super exclusive Viana Minimalisa High Boots are the most expensive women's shoes by Louis Vuitton, priced at around $4,500. These were launched as part of the brand's 2005-2006 fall-winter clothing line. These are crafted from the finest ostrich leather for extra softness and durability, with a 4.5-inch high heel to give the opulent factor and to create an incredibly striking effect. The leather reaches up to the knee and make any woman look daunting, powerful and stylish. Owning a pair of these boots is not easy. However, even if you have the money to pay for them, they were introduced in the fall-winter collection and are made in a very limited supply. Power boots for power women. So which shoes are looking best and which one would you like to buy? Let me know in the comments below. So that's it for today's video of the most expensive Louis Vuitton women's shoes. If you enjoyed the video, make sure to smash the like button and subscribe for more luxury content like this. If you have any video ideas, leave it in a comment below. I'll surely consider it. And don't forget to watch another expensive video right here. Bye bye.